A beacon of hope or a cure? This is the question that the world is trying to find answers to. Is the convalescent plasma therapy a ray of hope as a cure from the deadly coronavirus? Plasma therapy for COVID-19 has its origin in China, where it was adopted and tested on 15 critical patients suffering from the deadly virus who later showed signs of faster recovery. India too has now started using the therapy as a treatment for patients with very severe symptoms. Let us understand a little bit more about this therapy. What is convalescent plasma therapy? Plasma therapy uses antibodies found in the blood of people who have recovered from an infection, in this case the coronavirus, to treat patients who are still infected with it. The human blood consists of four main components: the red and white blood cells, platelets, and the plasma. The plasma helps the blood to clot and supports immunity. In plasma therapy, it is these immunity-sufficient antibodies of the plasma that are drawn and transferred to someone who has recently contracted the same virus and is critical. How is plasma collected? The blood is taken from a patient who has recovered. Plasma is separated from the blood. If all the parameters are agreeable, then it is administered to the COVID-19 patient. Is this a new discovery for treatment? It was first discovered in 1890 by German physiologist Emil von Behring, who was awarded the first ever Nobel Prize for medicine for this discovery. It is also used for Spanish flu in 1918, also for SARS, MERS, Ebola, and also for H1N1 patients. What are the conditions required for a plasma therapy to occur for coronavirus? The following conditions need to be satisfactory. The donor should be 17 years or above, 50 kgs or above, and should not suffer from any pre-medical conditions like diabetes or BP. Apart from these, the donor should have been cured 14 days prior to the transfer and should have tested negative in the swab test. Is plasma therapy a 100% cure for coronavirus? There is no proof till date of this. Countries like the US, China, and now India are using it as a temporary solution till any scientific proof comes along. Plasma therapy may only give temporary passive immunization to a patient, unlike a vaccine which can give lifelong immunity. How has plasma therapy been used in India so far? With over 3 million global cases and now India almost reaching 30,000 mark of coronavirus cases, even the top medical research body of India, the Indian Council of Medical Research, has approved clinical trials for those critically ill with COVID-19. Kerala was the first state to start the therapy. After conducting a limited trial in the national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said that initial reports are promising.
हमने पिछले कुछ दिनों के अंदर 4 मरीजों पे ट्रायल करके एलएनजेपी के 4 मरीजों पे ट्रायल करके देखा, उसके अभी तक के नतीजे उत्साहवर्धक हैं.
Plasma therapy is one of the therapy which is being experimented with. However, so far there is no evidence to support it as a treatment.
Several other states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh have also sought permission from the center to conduct plasma therapy trials. Which countries are using plasma therapy against coronavirus? India, US, China, Spain, Turkey, South Korea, Italy, and the UK are some of the countries that are using this therapy. What are the challenges of plasma therapy? Plasma therapy has not been approved as of now by WHO as a cure for coronavirus. Apart from this, the number of positive patients being more than the number of recovered ones poses a demand-supply challenge. All the cured people may not qualify the criteria listed, and there could be a sufficient number who may not want to donate their plasma since it is a voluntary act. But till the time a medicine or a vaccine comes out for coronavirus, the world can only hope that this is the silver lining in the otherwise grim coronavirus scenario.